People say money doesn't grow on trees, but that's not true. In fact, money does grow on trees. And if you know where to look, you can find these money trees and take as much money as you want. You see, there are two types of people in this world. There are the people who say they don't have any money, but really, they do have money. It's just tied up in their job or their business. And then there are people like you and me who actually have no money at all. We have to go out and find it. The easiest way to make money is simply to work for it. You can get a job at McDonald's, you can walk dogs, or mow lawns. If you're good at math, you can tutor students. If you're good with computers, you can get a job as a programmer. The opportunities are endless. All you have to do is Google how to make money and you'll find thousands of different ways to make hundreds of dollars every single day. If you don't want to work a normal job, then you can start your own business. You can sell products online. You can start a blog or a YouTube channel. You can do almost anything because there's money to be made in every single industry. And if you don't want to start a business or get a job, then you can simply ask for money. You can go to your friends or your family or even strangers on the internet. People love to give money to people who ask for it. In fact, one of the best ways to make money is by selling something that people want. For example, if you're good at something, you can teach other people and charge them for it. If you're bad at something, you can hire someone else to do it for you and then sell the service to other people. This is called freelancing, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money.